Alright, quickly just going to show you guys how to order your name badge. All you're going to do is just go to kw.com. You can go down to the bottom and you will put in your ID and your password. And that will pop up in a new window. And of course I typed it in wrong. And then that will open your MyKW page. And all you're going to do here on the right hand side, they've got a link here for searching vendors, and these are all KWRI approved vendors. So click on that. And then all you do is from this drop down menu just select name badges. Name badges and awards. Click that. Then hit search and it'll bring up different companies that you can order through. I'll just use the first one here, American Image. You just simply click on it. It brings you to their page. You can see some reviews, write a review. But then all you'll do is go over here to the web, click on that, and it'll bring you to their website. And that will pop open here in a new window. Bear with it here. And here it is. And now what you'll do is maneuver through their websites, which I'll do a little bit here for you. The real estate obvious, that's the section we're going to go to. Select KW. And then we've got a couple different options for name badges we can choose here. You've got different levels here. Just simply click on that. Find the one you like. I like that. Click on that. And then you're going to simply fill it out and go through the final steps of ordering your name badge. Again, for any other training videos, just check out the YouTube channel.